Hey guys, real quick, Maurice here back for another Pop Hack Training. We're gonna jump on this phone and make some quick cold calls. I'm gonna show you guys how to get your first client, how to really take your social media marketing agency to the next level, and it's only gonna come through activity. Okay, you guys got to get more active. You got to get off your you know what and pick up the phone and make some money. Now, if you guys want my scripts and rebuttals and all that type of stuff, click the link in the description. You guys can grab the ICP course and you guys will be able to get the scripts, the rebuttals, the presentation, all that type of stuff you guys can grab as well, and it'll help you expedite your cold calling endeavors. Okay, this stuff is easy, when you really think about it. You only need to set aside about an hour or two a day, and you guys can literally be making a six-figure income. Okay, so I'm just gonna make some cold calls, give you guys some more examples of what you should be doing, motivate you. If you're having problems with fears and phobias, then definitely grab the course. I deal with the mindset. I need to pull that mess out of you and help you guys get to the next level. So I'm going to make some quick cold calls and show you guys how this stuff is done. Because I know a lot of you guys want clients, you want to make money, but you're not doing anything. And if you don't do anything, ladies and gentlemen, you can't get those $2,000, $3,000, and $4,000 a month clients that you want. Cold calling simple. Let's just make a dial and show you guys how easy this stuff really is. Okay, so let's go. Let's make this dial. Let's call Michael. Let's dial Michael. Let's dial Michael.
Hi, it's Michael Retargeting.
Hey Michael, how's it going, buddy?
How's it going? Who's this?
All right, real quick, this is Maurice. Michael, I had seen the ad on Craigslist for junk calling, and
Yeah.
just had a question for you.
Yeah. What's going on?
Oh yeah, Michael, I was just wondering, are you guys interested in generating some junk hauling leads for your business?
Not currently. I do all my own marketing, so.
Okay, well, a lot of people I speak with, Michael, they tell me the same thing you did before they found out what we do. Are you guys only on Craigslist, or do you do other stuff?
Yeah, I don't do Facebook or anything else. I only do Craigslist.
Oh man, okay. Well, Mike, I've been doing this over 7 years. I'm very good at it. I work with a couple other big junk haulers, and we're generating them anywhere from 7 to 10 calls a day. And I just wanted to shoot you some information that you could take a look at. And it just tells you a little bit about how I can make money with you and take this junk hauling business to the next level. Yeah, go ahead.
I was gonna say, what do you do? What do you do besides Craigslist?
I do everything as far as digital marketing is concerned. Social, search, as well as videos. Just depends on how big the crew is. Yeah, go ahead.
See Instagram and YouTube, and Twitter and all that are terrible. Those don't generate any money.
Well, I don't.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Let's say Marketplace. I was gonna say this. I've done this for a long time. For a while now. Marketplace. Everyone doesn't pay enough money for the services they want. They're too cheap on there. They try to do $50, $60 for like truckload of stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's not.
Yeah, I
worth
get
my
it.
time.
Yeah, I get it.
My minimum fee is $100.
Oh, we definitely need to do business together. Because what I do is I set a minimum, of anywhere from 1 to 150. Some of my guys, that's their minimum. So we could definitely blow this thing out the water. My only concern with you is what can you guys handle? How many trucks you got? That sort of thing. And then, man, we can put something together.
I handle 4 jobs a day, depending on location.
Okay, cool. So are we talking maybe like 20-mile radius, 10-mile radius in the Sacramento region? What are we talking as far as how far do you go?
Yeah, pretty much. I go El Dorado Hills, Elk Grove, Auburn, California, Grass Valley. I go more than 25 miles. I think about 100-mile spread.
Oh, okay. Well, that's perfect. That works with me. Is it just you, or do you have another truck, or what?
I just have my truck. But where do you put it on real quick? Before I say, don't say too much. Where do you guys put my stuff on? On Google AdWords? Because I have Google AdWords. I already do stuff.
It depends. I mean, it just depends on the volume. I mean, wherever the volume's at, like with something like this, we could probably do something small on social. Maybe we could do some mobile. We're not talking a lot of
But what
jobs.
do you mean when you say mobile? What do you mean when you say mobile? Like what? Like Craigslist? What? Facebook,
Oh, no, 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 no.
Marketplace?
We wouldn't put you. You're already on Craigslist. We wouldn't compete on
No,
Craigslist.
I know. No, I know.
Okay.
I know. That's why I'm asking you. Where are you going to put it?
Well, that's
Where
what
are
I'm.
you going to put it?
Depending upon what we would go with, as far as you're telling me, hey, Maurice, 4 jobs a day, that's what I can handle. Then I would just do something small as far as mobile. Meaning, if someone is in the region and they're looking for junk hauling, I would set you up on mobile phones or mobile devices. Okay, that's what I would do.
So when you say mobile, no, I don't mean to interrupt you. I'm just trying to jump in the conversation. When you say mobile, you mean like Google Ads? Like if someone goes on Google and types in Sacramento junk removal or North Highlands junk removal, correct?
It depends. It depends. We can do some retargeting on mobile. Most of the people that are looking for junk removal are on a mobile phone. That's how they typically find you guys. So when I say mobile, that's what I mean. I would do some mobile stuff to get you phone calls and customers. But not necessarily Google. Google is not the only game in town. I've been doing this for 7 years, Mike. I'm very good at it. So I would.
No, I'm not trying to get free info out of you.
I can't reveal too much stuff.
I'm not trying to get you to tell me.
Yeah.
I'm not asking you
Okay.
to tell me like, oh, no, I'm gonna hang up the phone and I'm gonna go do it myself. That is not where I'm coming from. I'm just not gonna. I want to know where it's gonna be because, like I said, I'm really good at this stuff too.
Oh, okay.
I know you are. Yeah, you know what I mean? This is like my thing. Computer marketing is my actual profession.
Oh, okay.
Then I started doing this. So I do marketing, you know what I mean? So
okay.
I run my own Google ads, and I pay $30 a day.
Okay.
To where they hit between 500 and 2,500 people on mobile. You know what I mean? But I'm going to be honest with you. It has gotten me shit. It gets me fake ads, fake clicks. Mm-hmm. It gives me fake calls. Mm-hmm. It gives me auto-generated calls. It wastes all my money. I spent $500 on Google Ads. I got all the right keywords, right?
Okay.
I know all that stuff. I got all the right keywords, and I got shit. I got 4 phone calls, and I wasted $400 on that. I'm never doing this again.
Yeah.
I spent $5 on Craigslist, $700 by the time I hang up this phone call with you.
Exactly. I get it, and I appreciate you sharing that with me. And a lot of people have the same concerns and issues. And the good thing about what I do, I eat, breathe, and sleep marketing because I have large junk hauling clients and we're crushing it. So I'll be definitely a breath of fresh air to you if we decide to partner up because I'm good at marketing and you're just, I'm in the area, of course. Yeah, I'm in the area. So, yeah, I'm somebody you can shake hands with. I'm not calling you from Zimbabwe somewhere. I know you get a lot of them calls too,
right.
Mike.
I know that.
Yeah.
Well, junk near me right now, junk-related queries on Google Trends is up 160% right now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just by putting junkyard near me,
it's
through the roof.
Yep. So, Mike, this is what I'm going to do. I appreciate your time. I know you probably got things to do. I'll shoot you over a quick email just introducing myself. And then if it makes sense to you, I'll follow up with you Monday. We can go over the numbers or whatnot. And if it makes sense, I'll get you a couple calls. And then let's just take it from there, But I am looking for a solid guy.
I don't use email.
Okay, that's fine. I'll text you. I'll shoot you a text. I'll shoot you a text, Mike. No worries. I'll shoot you a quick text.
Yeah, I'm not
And then this is my proposition to you, Mike. Like I said, I don't want to waste my time or your time, but I am the real deal. If you can honestly handle 4 jobs a day, okay, and you're serious, all right, I want to work with you, okay. I don't want you here today, gone tomorrow. If you do have plans of maybe possibly getting another vehicle, that's another plus to me because I can help you grow your junk removal. Most of the big guys like your Junk Kings and your 1-800-JUNKS, they do, well over $300-400 million a year in junk removal. So it's a awesome niche. And that's why I specialize in it because we can make a lot of money. Once you got the marketing dialed in, we can grow it.
I just got to make sure
yeah.
No offense, but I got to make sure you're legit.
Yeah.
I mean? I don't know you from just a phone call right
Exactly. And that's why, like I said before, if you're serious, I'm going to give you a couple leads and we're going to take it from there. Okay. So I know a lot of people
Well,
want. Yep.
okay, no, I will give you. I have a lot of people call me.
Okay.
What you do, right?
Yep.
And I
Yep.
blow every one of them off.
Yep.
So
I know, Mike.
I'm not gonna lie. So like, if I don't need, so are you gonna send me a lead? I mean, you're gonna have to show me something where you send me like. I mean, I'm gonna have to make a couple $100 off of these people that you called to tell me to know that you're for real.
Well,
And I gotta know it's you. I can't give you.
Oh,
any money
no. My system is cool. So
upfront.
yeah, what I do with all my clients, every time we generate a phone call, you'll get a text. You'll know it's from us. So you know that. You'll know at the end of the week, you'll see all the leads that we generate you and how much money you make and all that good stuff. So it's really streamlined. I mean, I have partners. I'm not looking to, debit somebody. I want to help grow your company. That's what I do. I'm not looking to generate you 2 leads and that's it. I want to help this thing get to 100,000, a quarter of a million, wherever you want to take your junk hauling business, Mike. I'm the man to help you do it. So meaning, and that's why I was saying earlier, if you're right, I don't give leads out just to give leads out. But if you're right, then I will, just to prove to you that I know what the heck I'm doing. Once you see that, let's blow the doors open and let's make a ton of money.
So, okay, how about this?
Okay.
You're going to have, I mean, if you send me so my leads, I only go out between my trailers. I do $300 to $400 for a trailer, right?
Okay.
If it's a light load, if you give me a lead from someone's garage where I'm just getting regular old house trash out and I fill up the trailer for $300, and there's some way for me to prove that you got me that lead.
Yeah, you'll know that, Mike.
Then we can do business.
Oh yeah, you'll get a text. You'll know. I'll know too. So all that stuff is already set up. My system is very sophisticated. I mean, I work with guys where we're making a lot of money, and we'll talk about that later. But my point is, yeah, Mike, of course. Of course, I'm not going to give them out. Oh, yeah, I deal with some big junk hauling companies. I'm not going to reveal it to you right now, of course, but I do work with big guys, and they don't want me to tell their information. It's confidential. I can't do that.
Oh, I don't even want their information.
But
I don't want it.
Okay, yeah, no worries, Mike. Yeah.
No, I don't want that from you. I don't care about what you do with anybody else.
Yeah, you just want to make sure your phone is ringing, right?
And I want to make sure I'm talking to someone honest.
Exactly.
You got to send me stuff. So you can text me if you want.
I'm going to text you. And then, Mike, why don't we do this?
Your website?
Mike, I'm going to put all that. Don't worry, Mike. I'm going to text you everything. Don't worry about it. When we end the call, I'll text you over. I just need a good time to follow with you either Monday or Tuesday, and then we can go over everything. If you like it, then I'll get you a trial going, and let's make some money. But, Mike, you got to assure me, Mike, that you're serious about taking your junk hauling business to the next level. That's my thing, okay? That's my whole thing.
I don't. No, yeah, don't worry about that. I'm not worried about any of that. That's not that. That's my. I make my money. It'll be there, and I can do the jobs.
Okay.
What I'm curious is how much do you want? I don't give a shit. You give me $1,000 worth of jobs. How much do you want?
We'll talk about that, Mike.
What's your cut?
Yeah, we'll talk about how I do it as far as what areas and stuff like that. Don't worry about that. We'll talk about that on the follow up.
Okay.
No worries. You what?
Okay.
You been what?
No, I figured you go by a percentage, but I know El Dorado Hills. I charge may charge differently than North Highlands. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So,
yeah, we'll figure all that good stuff out. Me and you are both are trying to figure out, is this the right person we want to work with? And I'm serious and you're serious. So it's just like, let's come back. Let me just send you a little details with a testimonial of a client. And then let's just kind of set it up for Monday. And then we'll talk about numbers. If it makes sense, I'll give you some leads that you can try out. And then we'll take it from there, because then you'll know everything, all the good stuff, what the fees is and all that. And then we take it from there. Okay. And then I'm going to blow that phone up for you, Mike, plain and simple.
Hey, I don't mean to be rude. I don't mean to cut you off, brother, but I got a call right now for work coming
I'm going to send it to you. Okay, Monday. I'll call you Monday, Mark. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Booyah! Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it. Now, there was a lot that happened in this call. He wanted pricing. I didn't want to give out pricing right now. I want to save that for later. I'm going to send him over a text, and the presentation is basically going to just tell him a little bit about who I am, what I do. It has a small case study on it. If you guys want a presentation, you can click the link in the description. I put together a pre-made presentation as well. But ladies and gentlemen, this is what you literally have to do. It's just simple. Picking up the phone, making the dials. Mike, so to speak, I didn't notice that I was talking about giving them leads. I know you guys are going to be kind of curious about that. Typically, if I have the right client, and meaning that I feel that there's a potential for a good relationship, I'll give them a couple leads. Okay, we call that the free trial method. But I didn't want to say free trial. I just tell them, I'll give you a couple leads, so to speak, so we can kind of take it from there. Okay. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's the gist of what we do as far as making cold calls. Mike had a lot of concerns. I was filling him out. He was filling me out. I was letting him know I'm the real deal. Another thing that I like that he brought up was that he did Google Ads and he didn't do it right. And he got burned. That's the thing. Mike got burned as far as doing Google Ads. Okay. Now, I'm not going to get burned because I know how to do Google Ads. You can find outsourcers that know how to do Google Ads and definitely get him some results. He wanted to kind of know what I was going to do for him. I didn't really want to say that, so I just said mobile to kind of, answer his question in a soft manner. I didn't say Facebook, but Facebook's excellent. He said Instagram and Twitter. If you know what you're doing, you can still generate leads for junk haulers if you were to set that up. But the whole premise, ladies and gentlemen, is you guys got to pick the phone up and you got to make calls, okay? Because there's business owners out there. Now, if this guy goes, this is going to be easily, $800 a week, easily. He wants about 4 leads a day. You can handle 4 leads a day, all right? So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Pick the phone up, okay, and make calls, all right? Plain and simple. You guys see it. You guys know what I do work. If you guys want the system, you want to replicate it, you can set aside an hour a day. Click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the ICP course and get all the scripts and the rebuttals. And notice that he said he wasn't interested too, going back. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I hit him. I said a lot of people, you got to have rebuttals. That's why so many people are online talking about cold calling doesn't work. No, you just don't have the right system and you don't know how to get over objections. You got to be able to get over objections. Now let's watch this. Let's just go back. Let's rewind. Let's rewind. Notice that this guy told me he wasn't interested. And most of you guys and most of the people that say cold calling don't work, they would have said, okay, Mike, bye, have a great day. But not your boy, Maurice. I know what I'm doing. And my students know what they're doing. And guess what? They're crushing it. Okay, and if you want to crush it, you want to be a part of this, you want to make cold calls, you guys see that it's not as bad as you think it is, click the link in the description. Grab the course. Make sure you guys comment, hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. If you need help, you need someone to hold your hand, you want one-on-one coaching where I can show you guys how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month in the next 30 to 60 days. You have a large investment that you want to just, you're tired of banging your head. Click the link in the description and we can work one-on-one. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.